Welcome back to DigitalDive. In this video, we'll be creating a digital clock using Python. This project is perfect if you're learning about GUI programming in Python, and it uses the Tkinter library, which is built into Python, making it simple to get started. Let's start with the first line of code. We need to import two libraries. Python copy code import Tkinter as tk, import time. The Tkinter library is essential for building the graphical interface, and time will help us get the current time. Step 1. Setting up the update function. Next, let's create a function called update_clock that will retrieve the current time and display it on the screen. Python copy code def update_clock current_time equals time.striftime %h %m %s %p label.config text equals current_time label.after 1000 update_clock. Here, time.striftime %h %m %s %p gives us the current time in hours, minutes, and seconds, including m or pm. Each time update_clock is called, it updates the label's text to the current time. Then, with label.after 1000 update_clock, we ensure this function is called every 1000 milliseconds, or once every second. Step 2. Creating the main window. Now, we need to set up the main window for our digital clock. Python copy code root equals tk.tk root.title digital clock. Root equals tk.tk creates the main window, and root.title digital clock gives it a title. Setting the title is optional, but can be a nice touch. Step 3. Configuring the label. Next, let's create the label to display our clock time. This label is where the time will be shown, and we can style it however we like. Python copy code label equals tk.label root font equals Helvetica 48 background equals black foreground equals yellow label.pack anchor equals center. Here, we're using a large 48-point Helvetica font for readability. The background color is black, and the text color is yellow to make it look like a glowing digital clock. The label.pack anchor equals center command centers the label in the window. Step 4. Initializing the clock. With the label configured, we need to call the update_clock function to kickstart the clock and display the current time. Python copy code update_clock. This will call the update_clock function right when the program starts, so the clock displays the correct time immediately. Step 5. Running the application. Finally, we use Python copy code root.mainLoop. This line keeps the window open and the clock running. Main loop is essential for all Tkinter applications, as it keeps the GUI open and responsive. Demo. Now, let's run the code and see our digital clock in action. You'll see a black window pop up with the current time in a yellow, bold font, updating every second. Wrap up. And that's it. You've created a simple yet functional digital clock in Python using just a few lines of code. This is a great project for beginners to practice working with GUIs, and it can be customized to your liking. You could even add a date display, or change the colors and fonts. If you enjoyed this project, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to DigitalDive, and let me know what you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and happy coding. Hello everyone.